Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Today we have the Powerhorse 7500. This generator, one thing about it, it has a full 50 amp plug, so no more adapter. We don't have to use the adapter anymore. This adapter will convert the 4-prong 30 amp to a 50 amp plug, so I can use my 50 amp inlet box. So since this generator has a 50 amp plug, we're just going to plug right into the generator. Okay, plugged into the generator directly. No 30 amp. It actually has the 30 amp 240 volt plug also. So you can use the 30 amp or the 50 amp. I'm just going to use the 50 amp plug. All right, so we connected to the generator. Next thing you do, come over here, make sure your 50 amp is plugged in. Once you have power and you turn the generator on, that light right here will turn green. Turn your main breaker off, pull this up, turn your generator on, so you can have power going to the house. Both main breakers are off. So now we're going to fire our generator up. On. Remember, this one has eco mode, standard, and max. We're going to be doing the test in standard. Let it warm up for a little bit. Once it warms up, I'm going to introduce power. So it's going to be using this one, the 50 amp. All right, guys, let's go ahead and turn our generator on. Going around 124 volts. Okay, guys, the generator is nice and warmed up. Let's go ahead and turn that AC on. As you guys can see, we have some watts, right about 400 watts coming out. Let's turn that AC on and see if the Powerhorse 7500 can run a 5-ton AC. Over here and turn the AC on. All right, guys, there you go. The Powerhorse 7500, absolutely no problem starting the AC. It's a 5-ton AC with a soft start. With eco mode and standard. All right, guys, there you go. The 7500, the Powerhorse 7500 just started the AC with the soft start. You got the easy start, micro air easy start. This is 5-ton AC. Let's go ahead and see the amps it pulled. Okay, as you can see right there, last start 36.6. It's pulling 18.2 amps, running the AC. Powerhorse 7500 with a soft start, absolutely no problem. All right, guys, there you go. Powerhorse 7500 running the 5-ton AC, pulling right about 5,143 watts. 3,400 RPM, 60 hertz. $17.9 amps on one leg and 24.8 on the other. 121 volt, 120 volt. Perfect. One thing you guys asked me is, you should run this in eco mode off. Absolutely not. I will never run my generator in eco mode off. I have to pay for the gas. Let's turn eco mode off. So you telling me that when the AC kicks off, my generator is going to be sitting outside running wide open throttle for no reason. Standard, it actually goes down. Actually goes down. That means you're actually running in a more efficient manner in eco mode. Just trust the generator, let it do its thing. It will ramp up. If you want to burn gas, go for it. Okay, I'm just gonna go turn the AC off. We're still pulling right over 5,122. Awesome. Okay, guys, I just turned the AC off. Now you can see just the blower is blowing. 1,500 watts. It went down to 2,700 RPMs. I love the fact that it shows you your RPMs on the engine. Do you see how quiet this thing went down? So that's what I'm saying. You guys say, run it eco mode off. So that means when the AC shuts off, your generator is going to be sitting outside like this for no reason. Wouldn't it be better once the AC shuts off, your generator shuts off too and takes a break, saves some gas, and it still started the AC in that mode with absolutely no problem. I love the front panel on this generator. Everything is just right there up front. All right, guys, there you have it. Powerhorse just went down, AC's off. Now we can shut our main power off. I like to use this, shut that off. See the green light went off. That means your generator is off. You can disconnect this if you want. Come over here, shut that off, pull that down, turn your main power back on. Disconnect. All right, guys, there you have it. The Powerhorse 7500 ran my 5-ton AC. I know a lot of you guys say, hey, why run a 5-ton AC? Guys, I'm here to just show you what the generators can do at the max performance. That's all. I'm just testing the generator. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Push that subscribe button. Would really appreciate it. If you like these videos, guys, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. I'm going to be servicing this thing, full service, spark arrestor, oil, filter, spark plug, drain the tank, put it in storage mode. We're going to do that for all the generators. Guys, stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel. More videos coming. I'm going to keep showing you guys how to work on these things, how to store them, how to service them. All right? We have a lot more generators coming, brand new generators that's coming out for this year. So stay tuned. Guys, thanks for watching my channel. Always appreciate it. Have a nice day. Bye.